A straight white curtain at the head, and two smooth knobs below. I thought I saw the nursery fire, and in a chair well known my mother sat and did not tire with reading all alone. If I should make the slightest sound to show that I'm awake, she'd rise and lap the blankets round my pillow softly shake, kiss me and turn my face to see the shadows on the wall, and then sing Rousseau's dream to me till fast asleep I fall. But this is not my little bed, the time is far away. With strangers now I live instead, from dreary day to day. If I should make the slightest sound to show that I'm awake, she'd rise and lap the blankets round my pillow softly shake, kiss me and turn my face to see the shadows on the wall, and then sing Rousseau's dream to me till fast asleep I fall. But this is not my little bed, the time is far away. With strangers now I live instead, from dreary day to day.